Hello and good morning, everybody. My name is Nguon Sominea, and I am a local tour guide in Siem Reap, Cambodia. If you are coming down here to visit this amazing country, don't forget to hit me up or contact me or ask me any questions. I'll be happy to answer to all your questions. And if you are looking for a tour guide, you can also contact me so I can show you these beautiful places and the histories of this amazing country. So I'll see you soon. Take care and have fun traveling.